Welcome to Beautyistic. Parents, are you struggling to make your child's brushing routine a little more exciting and effective? I have something that might just be the answer to your dental woes. Today, we're reviewing the Nuby Toddler Sonic Electric Toothbrush with Rechargeable Battery. It's designed to make brushing fun while ensuring your little one's teeth are thoroughly cleaned. If you're looking to make dental care a breeze for your child, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for more helpful reviews. The Nuby Sonic Toothbrush is a game changer when it comes to toddler oral care. This toothbrush features high-frequency vibration technology to gently and effectively clean your child's teeth. With 3 different modes, cleansing, whitening, and massage, you can customize the brushing experience to suit your child's needs, whether it's a regular clean, a deep clean for extra plaque removal, or a soothing massage mode for sensitive gums. It's like having a mini dentist right at home. The design is also tailored for little hands. The handle is crafted from an anti-slip material, making it easy for toddlers to grip and hold while they brush. Plus, the bright, fun Scuba Diver character makes brushing a fun adventure, which is essential for keeping kids engaged during those crucial 2 minutes of brushing recommended by dentists. The timer feature helps parents too, with a 30-second pause every time it's time to switch to a new section of the mouth, so you know when to move on. Real-world testing with this toothbrush has been quite positive. My daughter, who's always been a bit picky about brushing, absolutely loved the Scuba Diver design and the fact that she could choose between modes. The vibrations are strong enough to get rid of plaque, but gentle enough to not hurt her gums. The 2-minute timer is a great addition, ensuring she's brushing for the right amount of time. The toothbrush is also quite quiet, which I know is a plus for parents who have little ones who get scared of loud noises. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. One of the major strengths of the Nuby Sonic toothbrush is its versatility. The 3 modes make it adaptable to your child's needs as their teeth grow. It's also lightweight and easy for kids to handle, which can't be said for all toothbrushes on the market. The rechargeable battery is another great feature. No more worrying about buying batteries, and the LED light that indicates battery status is incredibly helpful. On the flip side, some may find the brush head a bit on the smaller side, especially if your child has a bigger mouth or a lot of teeth coming in. While the anti-slip handle is great, some might find it could use a bit more texture for grip during brushing sessions. Additionally, the fun design may not appeal to every child, especially if they're not into characters or bright colors. As for value for money, the Nuby Sonic toothbrush sits in a reasonable price range, especially considering its features. A rechargeable battery, 3 modes, and a hygienic cover that's travel-friendly make this an investment worth considering. It's designed to grow with your child, so it should last for a while. When comparing it to other similar electric toothbrushes for toddlers, the Nuby Sonic toothbrush holds its own. There are alternatives out there, but what sets this one apart is the balance of fun design, customizable modes, and practical features like the timer and rechargeable battery. You're getting a lot of value for the price, especially when you factor in how much use you'll get out of it as your child's oral care needs evolve. Now, a quick mid-review reminder. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other parents can benefit from this content too. And if you're eager to get your hands on this toothbrush, I've dropped the link in the comments below. Customer support for Nuby is known to be responsive, though I didn't personally interact with them during testing. However, their reputation for addressing inquiries efficiently is something I trust, and it's always comforting to know that a brand is dedicated to making things right if needed. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other toddler toothbrushes with similar features, but they often lack the customizable modes or the engaging design that Nuby offers. If you're on a tighter budget, you can find basic electric toothbrushes that still provide good vibration and cleaning action, but they won't necessarily have the fun factor or the kid-friendly design that the Nuby brush offers. To wrap things up, the Nuby Toddler Sonic Electric Toothbrush is a solid investment for parents looking to make their child's brushing routine more fun and effective. The customizable modes, gentle vibrations, and the interactive design will keep your child engaged and ensure their teeth are cleaned properly. While the size of the brush head and the design might not be for every child, the overall value and thoughtful features make it a great option. If you're looking for a toothbrush that combines function and fun, this one's definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried the Nuby Sonic toothbrush or have any tips for other parents, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.